Yun na nga yung song. You have to feel love. There was a time kasi na kinwestiyon ko yung sarili ko na lahat naman tayo, di ba? We go through that. Lalong-lalo na when we're going through something very serious in our lives, whether it's personal or professional. Nakakalimutan natin na madami pala tayong mga dapat pasalamatan. Ayan. Kasi mas naiisip natin yung, ay, kawawa naman tayo, I'm going through this. No, every day I feel we should always be grateful. Kasi hindi naman natin maiiwasan yung mga challenges sa buhay. Meron pa rin naman ako niyan, no? Sometimes little challenges, sometimes, oh my God, major challenges. Pero I have learned to be grateful every morning. Para makalimutan ko, yun ang parati ko iniisip. Today, I'm gonna be grateful and today, I thank God. Para bago man lang ako makaisip ng problema, napaalala ko na sa sarili ko na there are so many things to be grateful for. And I am loved today.
Pero kailan ka huling na-touch ng isang gesture of love?
Ay, mga anak ko pala. Pag mga anak ko, syempre, and family ko, it's a big deal for me and I'm always touched. Little things. A phone call makes me cry. Even my friends, I have very, very good friends. And doon pa lang, natatouch ako kasi yung mga little things na alala ko, nag-message, minsan nagpapadala ng pagkain na hindi mo ina-expect. Alam mo yung mga ganong bagay. I get really touched. And as you get older, yun yung mga bagay that means more to you. Pag bata ka kasi siguro, madami ka pang iniisip, ang dami pang nangyayari. But as you mature, little things sometimes mean more, di ba?
Okay, last na lang. Pre-Valentine to.
Oo nga.
So, free ka sa Valentine's Day.
So, wala akong free.
Ano gagawin mo?
Pinapa-announce ko na. Normally, this is true ha, on Valentine's Day, I have a group of girlfriends and lahat kami single. So we usually spend Valentine's together. Ayan, meron na kaming pact na habang single kami or maski na meron ng love life, kami pa rin na magse-celebrate ng February 14. I'm hoping that by then, nandito na si Ram because Ram will be coming. So I am hoping to spend it also with Ram and my girlfriends.
Thank you.